Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're talking about a must-have travel accessory that you need to add to your collection, the 10 PCS colorful stainless steel wire luggage tag clip. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just someone who loves to keep their bags organized, these luggage tags are the perfect addition to your gear. Let's talk about durability. These luggage tags are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring that they are built to last and can withstand wear and tear. No need to worry about them getting damaged or falling off during your travels. Not only are they durable, but they are also incredibly easy to install. With a clip design, these luggage tags can be easily attached and removed from your bags, making them convenient for everyday use. Plus, with 10 different colors available, they add a pop of color to your travel gear, making them both functional and attractive. But here's the best part, they are perfect for travel. Ensuring that your bags are easily identifiable and secure, these luggage tags give you peace of mind while on the go. No more struggling to find your bags at the airport. These colorful tags make it easy to spot your luggage from a distance. In addition to being great for travel, these tags are also ideal for everyday use. Whether you want to use them for hanging flashlights, keyrings, pliers, or other hand tools, they are versatile and can be used in multiple ways. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the 10 PCS colorful stainless steel wire luggage tag clip today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.